Hey everyone, this is Heather again, and this is the last video in our series on how to use uh, crypto dashboards and crypto tools from Tradytics. So in this video, we are going to go over our swing trading idea generation tool that uses artificial intelligence and hundreds or thousands of different parameters to figure out where the price might go for any cryptocurrency. This tool called Kryptonite, it posts its trade ideas every day, and those trade ideas swing trade ideas meant to pan out, let's say 3 to 5 to maybe 7 to 10 days. So about 1 to 2 weeks they are expected to pan out. If the tool sees any new information that invalidates the idea, then the very next day, since the tool is posting predictions every day, it's going to tell you that now it has seen some different data that invalidates the idea. So it's going to post a completely opposite prediction the very next day, which is going to tell you that you might want to exit. So there are so many cryptocurrencies here. You might not be familiar with all of them. Doge, obviously you are, but then there's so much other stuff as well. We are only going to go over 3, and then we're going to talk about different things. So let's start with BTC. So we have opened BTC. We can see that it was bullish for a while, but the price was switching between 53 to about 54. It also went down. So these bullish predictions did not really work out that well. Then it got bearish, the price went down, then it's bearish here. This one wasn't really good as well, and now finally it's bullish again. So why are some of these working and some of these are not working? The reason for that is the confidence score. If you look at this column, you will see that for each trade idea, our artificial intelligence also gives you a confidence score. What you want to do is you only want to look at a trade idea when the confidence score is high, because that means the AI is really confident that this play might work. So how can we do that? So you can actually do that by just clicking on this high confidence filter. This is going to filter out everything that had low confidence, which means you are not supposed to just follow those low confidence alerts, which is going to actually happen here. So okay, so now we are left with just the high confidence signals, and we can see that from 24, the next 3 days we just did not have much confidence, and we said bullish here, but the next 3 days, since we kept saying bullish, let's assume the price actually went down. So this was actually not that good of a signal. But look at the next signal from 44 to 46, 49, 54, 58, 57, all the way. So now this one, so from this day till this day, about for about 2 months, every time the tool posted a high confidence prediction, the price of Bitcoin actually increased. That's pretty good, because there is no tool that's 100% accurate, and just having a 70 to 80% accuracy, this tool is about 70% accurate. That's usually more than good enough if you are disciplined, if you are looking at the price action, and if you're just adding a few more confidence factors when you are trading based on these trade ideas. So you can see that sure, one or two of these trade ideas are bad. So look at this one from 39, the next one was actually 51. So it posted on February 6, and then the next one was on February 18, but the price difference in those let's say in those 12 days was about 12k. So just based on one trade idea, you would have garnered about $12k in profit. So that's pretty cool, right? So that's what you need to do. You just need to look at the high confidence signal, then you need to follow them. But we don't suggest or recommend following them based on by just looking at them here and then just blindly going in. You always need to look at the price action. That's a must. So let's say we get this trade idea that says that okay, the price looks a little bit bullish or bearish. We always want to just go to the price action, take a look and see if the price action actually supports these trade ideas as well, because remember, the tool is not 100% accurate. The overall or the average accuracy of the tool is about 70%. So 70% of the times, even if you just followed these ones blindly, as we can actually see here, these are going to work out really well. But we don't want to get those 30% profits. Like we don't want to get a loss 30% of the times. So we want to take a look at the price action as well. Let's do that. So for BTC, let's go to the crypto dashboard, and let's look at let's look at the one that actually did not work. So February 24th, let's see what happened there. All right, so about here, right? So we can see that here we were on a moving average support. So if you know anything about supports, you know that sometimes moving averages act as dynamic supports and resistance levels. So this was actually a totally fine entry. This was just the case where trading is sometimes hard and things don't work out, because as you can see that this actually worked as a support level, but then the price actually went down in the next few days. But look at where did the price stop. The price stopped at the anchored VWAP support level. So that's why you always want to look at the price action, because that can sometimes tell you whether the price is at a support level right now or at a resistance level. So let's assume the price is at a resistance level, but the tool is saying go bullish. You might want to wait before we either pass that resistance level or we go down, go to a support level before you enter. So please always take just one look at the price action. Let's say if you had a bullish prediction, very high confidence, and the price was here. Now that's your signal that you can go in without finding any other confidence factors. You have the predictions from the tool. You can see that we have a beautiful support level here. You can just enter in, and if you did that, then again you can see that the price went up. So let's see if we had anything around February 26th. We can actually see that we did have a high confidence prediction for BTC on February 28th, which was right this support. So this would have been a perfect entry. So you always want to find confidence of different factors before you go in. Let's see how has Ethereum done. Let's clear this out. All right, my bad. Okay, Ethereum, and now we need to select okay. So there has only been one bearish signal, and look at where the price went the next 2 days, the next 3 days actually. The price closed below this close price, so 32, 2232, 2145, 2205, 2221. So that's why the tool is useful for both bearish and bullish trade ideas, because the bearish ones seem to work as well. This one was bullish. Look at in just 10 days, the price went from 2021 to 2232. So again, the tool really works well, but you always need to just add a little bit of confidence based on price action. And you can see that we have been bullish ever since, and the price has gone from 2145 to about 2791. This was April 30th. Today is May 2nd. And the price of Ethereum right now is about 3100. So if you had followed this one, 2791, let's go to the chart. Let's see what was happening around. So this came here, and you can see that we were consolidating here, but this would not have been a really good entry because we are already slightly overextended. Let's see if we had something else. So we have actually been, so again, this is cool. You can see that the tool has been really confident in the last 6 to 7 days that Ethereum is going to go up, and in just the last 7 days Ethereum has gone from 2221 to 3100. That's about a profit of $1,000 in just 1 week. Let's see what was happening. Let's say at 25. So at 25 there was nothing good here, because let's say we had this small support trend line, we were following it, okay, nothing too interesting. And we had this, so at, let's see, 26 April we actually broke out of this resistance level with some volume. So the volume is slightly higher, and then so this would have been your entry. So let's see if we have anything for 27. We do. There is a really 85% confidence prediction for ETH at about 2538, and we had actually just crossed the resistance level, and now we are above the resistance level, which means it is going to act as a support, which means we can enter because the price is expected not to go below that support level. So if we had entered here, now right now the price, the high of today is 3109. So again, that's about $500 profits per share. Again, that's fantastic because $500 is a really good profit. So that's how you can use the Kryptonite tool in conjunction with our crypto dashboard to find out really good trade ideas and then actually trade them and then be profitable. Lastly, I'll just go over Doge. We can see, let me clear out filters, and all right. So we have one bearish here. The next day the price actually went down, and the next good bullish or the high confidence bullish one was posted at 0.37. So look, we posted the bullish one here. This was bearish. This worked out okay the next day, but the bullish one here, it was posted on 0.27. The price right now is 0.37 in about 7 days. So April 25th to May 2nd. Again, about a $0.1 increase per share, which is pretty good again. And a really interesting thing here was that all the high confidence signals from the crypto night, let's say we start at March 29th, the price is at 0.05, but the tool has been highly confident that there is going to be some bullish movement. We have gone from 0.05 to 0.37 with just one bearish signal, and that actually worked as well. You can see that we've just gone up, up, up. This one didn't work really well, but about 80% of these signals have worked out really well. And from, let's say, $5 to $35, that's hundreds of dollars, hundreds of percentages of profits that you would have garnered by using this very simple tool called Kryptonite. So again, there's a lot of AI that goes behind these tools, and there are thousands of parameters that go into it, go into this. So the complexity is our job, handling that is our job, but giving you the best possible trade ideas, that's what we want. We don't want to show you the complexity. These trade ideas are really simple to follow, and I hope this video is going to help you find your own trade ideas, trade them, and become really profitable. Best of luck, and thank you so much for watching this.